Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Immich, PhotoPrism and Ente. Immich, PhotoPrism and Ente are all open source, self-hosted photo management solutions, each catering to different users' needs and preferences. Immich is a self-hosted photo and video management solution designed to offer a user-friendly alternative to cloud-based services like Google Photos. It provides features such as facial recognition, geolocation tagging, and AI-powered search capabilities, allowing users to organize and search their media efficiently. The platform supports various file formats including RAW, HEIC, and live photos, and offers mobile apps for both Android and iOS devices. Immich's web interface is intuitive, reassembling familiar cloud photo services, making it accessible for users transitioning from commercial platforms. However, being self-hosted, it requires users to manage their own server infrastructure, which may involve technical setup and maintenance. PhotoPrism is a self-hosted, AI-powered photo management tool designed for privacy-conscious users. It offers features like face recognition, geolocation tagging, and powerful search capabilities to help organize and browse your photo library. The platform supports various file formats, including RAW and HEIC, and provides a web interface that's accessible on desktop and mobile devices. While it offers a rich set of features, some users have reported that its face recognition capabilities can be inconsistent, and the absence of mobile apps may limit its usability for some. Ente is a self-hosted media management platform that helps you organize and access photos and videos privately. It supports various file formats and allows easy sorting, tagging, and searching of your media. Users appreciate its clean interface, which is simple to use even for beginners. Being self-hosted, it gives you full control over your data without relying on cloud services. Overall, Immich is better for users wanting a feature-rich, mobile-friendly private photo backup, while PhotoPrism is strong for AI-powered organization, and Ente is best for simple, lightweight, self-hosted media management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.